Today I'm running from Seaton in southeast Devon along the southwest coast path to Lyme Regis. I'm about 2.5 to 3 kilometers from Lyme Regis. The path here has opened up a bit, as you can probably see. Until now, 99% has been in the forest or the woods, and I've only had 1 or 2 glimpses of the sea. So looking forward to getting to Lyme Regis and get down onto the beach. Just arrived at Lyme Regis on the beach, 9 o'clock in the morning, and already the beach is pretty full. Anyway, just go and touch the sea, and then I'll gotta run back to Seaton. If you're going to do this section of the coast path, make sure you enjoy steps. That was enjoyable. Very enjoyable. Almost back to Seaton now, which is just down here. Looking across there, I think a village or town called Beer. So my last kilometre back to the car, back to Seaton. An enjoyable route. I was expecting a few more views of the sea as I went, but in one respect it was nice that I was sheltered from the sun in amongst the trees for 90% of the time. Anyway, back to the car. Good run. Looking forward to the next one. Back in Seaton. Hope you enjoyed this run. If you did, please consider subscribing. If you have any questions, leave them below.